In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Calendar with color-coded events, making it easier to organize your schedule visually. Imagine being able to glance at your calendar and immediately identify different events or activities just by their color. This step-by-step guide will help you achieve exactly that. Let's start by opening Google Calendar. Once you're on the main page, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll want to scroll down until you see the section labeled Other Calendars. This section is crucial because it's where you can add and manage different events throughout your busy schedule. Once you spot it, look for the plus sign icon. This icon allows you to add new events, making it a handy feature for those managing multiple activities. Now click on Create New Folder. This is your opportunity to label the event you're organizing. Type in the name of your event, which could be anything from a meeting, a social gathering, or a personal reminder. Giving it a descriptive name helps in quickly identifying what the event is about. After you've done this, navigate back to the homepage of Google Calendar. This is where all the magic will happen. Find the event you've just named, and to the right of it, you'll notice 3 dots, a common symbol indicating additional options. Click on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you a selection of colors to choose from. Assign a color that makes sense to you for that specific event. Perhaps use blue for work-related activities, red for urgent tasks, or green for personal stuff. This visual cue will help you manage your time more effectively. Once you've selected the color, whenever you need to add an activity for this event, click on the desired date and time slot in your calendar. Here, you can type the title of the activity and make sure to change its color to the one you've assigned earlier. This ensures consistency and keeps your calendar visually coherent. Finally, hit Save. By doing this, your calendar will now reflect the specific color choices for each event type. This customization means that at just a glance, you can distinguish between events and activities on your calendar, making your daily planning more efficient and less chaotic. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now equipped with a color-coded system to enhance your scheduling capabilities. Enjoy the ease of organization and the visual clarity this brings to your daily routine. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.